today? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am bringing you a print look. I am in the verge and in trending looks right now, if you guys can tell. Yeah, so I am bringing you a black and white look. I hope you guys like it, and let's see how this turns out to look. If you hear a noise, like a kind of a fan, I have my fan on because the lights will melt me. So yeah, do not forget to grab a snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back and enjoy the video. You can see my face is already prime, foundation on, concealer on, everything is set. The eyes are also set, and I'm going to tell you briefly what I have on my face. First thing, I put in the Wet n Wild Primer Serum, and I also have the Do You from Too Faced. It says full coverage in the shade Almond. I also have the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer, and guys, I think this is going to become my favorite. Next thing I have is the Ulta Beauty Eye Primer, and I also like this. And to set my eyes, I use the Pixie by Petra Translucent Powder, which looks like this. And I use two things to put on my foundation. I used the Morphe Y6, and I went on top of it with the sponge. Okay guys, so that being said, let us get into the look. Oh, I also used, because I have like a little texture right here, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is a must, you guys should pick this up. So let's get into the look. I'm going to be using some palettes, which are the Mora Dream Escape. I'm going to be using this palette because I'm going to use the white right here. And I am going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, which I love, and I'm going to be using the black in this palette. I'm also going to be using the Foiled Eyes by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using some of these as well. Okay, so let's go in with the look. I'm going to start with the NYX Milk Pencil in 604, and I'm going to be putting this all over my lid. And I'm going to be taking a Wet n Wild blending brush. This one is a little bit more dense. Now I'm going to take this white shade right here, and I'm going to set that white. And right here I took the Hank and Henry ink liner, and I'm gonna start building or just drawing in the spots. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Aftershock in the color black to tightline as well. Now I'm taking the NYX pencil and I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. I'm going to do a wing liner. Now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and I'm going to use this black right here, which is called Jet. And I'm going to apply this under my water lash line, like right here in the outside. And I'm going to be using a angle brush. Now I'm going to take the shade right here and I'm going to put it under my eyebrow bone, and maybe I'll do the corners. I don't know. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead off camera really quick, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. And this is the makeup look I came up with. I went off and when I did my face, I also put mascara. And yeah, hope you guys like it. Do not forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come up with new videos. And yeah, let me know below if you want to see a look on some other kind of print. Let me know below. Also, let me know if you want to see any colors. Let me know below. Any suggestions, guys, any ideas, please let me know below. I will appreciate that. And yeah, hope you like this, guys. To my next video. Love you guys. And this is the makeup look. And this is the makeup look I came up with.